Hello everyone, I'm back today at a different HomeGoods store and check out all the Halloween they have. I thought the first video I did last week was really good with a lot of Halloween, but this store had it all going on. I mean, there's so much in this video. I hope you like it, and I hope if you're not subscribed, you'll consider subscribing to the channel. But we're going to get into this, but I just wanted to give you an overall look here and tell you, check out my first video because I'm not going to go over the things I seen at the first store. I'll only go over the different stuff that's at this store, and I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks everyone for watching, and hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Check out this skeleton, $19.99 with these purple rose and these moss all over him. He's kind of creepy looking. $20, that's not bad for him. He doesn't light up, however. Yes, that gal behind is so neat. I wish they'd had that down lower so I could have showed it to you better. Check out these little glittery ghost. $19.99. Not too shabby. There she is. I just love this shelf. I guess it's a shelf unit piece. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I wish I'd have had it down lower so I could have seen it a little better. And I couldn't find a price on it because it's up so high. But isn't that neat? Check out these dudes. They're getting ready for a night out. I pulled him down to check him out. He's all ready to party. Pretty nice size. $49.99. This little plush dude is $16.99. He's pretty cute. Check out this headless horseman. This thing has some weight to it too. Really detailed. Quite nice. Let's pull him off the shelf. Check him out. Creepy. $29.99. Here's a kettle on a stand, $24.99. This little plush dude with his broom, $16.99. Martha Stewart ghost in the background here, lights up. This little stack of pumpkins with the bow on top, $19.99, lights up, pretty nifty. And this, I just freaking love this. $12.99 on this dude. And you know he's coming home with me. Only one of him. Check out this little guy. $12.99. I don't know, he looks kind of mean and I don't know, kind of wild looking. This skeleton with his book, lights up. Pretty nifty. $19.99. Guys, this store had it going on. This little glass faceless phantom, he actually lights up. Had a little purple light coming through. $14.99. It was really hard to see though. I'm pushing the button and you can see it a little, but not much. This musical globe, that's pretty detailed, pretty nifty. I like the detail in it with the tree wrapped around the globe. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. $16.99. This little fabric witch, $19.99. She's really cute. Looks old school. This haunted house, $19.99. Yes, it does light up. That is really neat. $20 for that. That's not a bad deal at all. I'm telling you, start checking your HomeGoods out because each one is better than the next. And don't forget, check out my first video I did last week at HomeGoods. Check out the detail on this haunted house. $20. $20. Check out this little fabric dude. He's pretty nifty. And these little bowl fillers, the fabric ghost that you put in the bowls. Not too bad. $14.99. This one's cute. Bella the Witch, $12.99. She's really different. Very different. $12.99 on this little pumpkin that's just sitting around. Then another plush ghost, $14.99. And check this out. Is this not cute or what? $79.99. It's a candy bowl. That bowl up there holds your candy, and look how large it is. That is really cute for $80. And these pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, were all metal, heavy metal. They do light up. They're by the same company as that mirror that I showed you in the prior video. This globe, musical globe once again. Martha Stewart, Curses, Brews, $16.99. This little fabric candy corn, $5.99. Check out the this trio, $9.99. Duo, not trio, duo, $14.99 on this little plush devil dog. Is he not cute or what? And here's another one of those, $12.99. And this baby's coming home with me too. I just love these little cakes. They were precious. Check him out, $12.99. This little wooden bat, hand carved, pretty nifty. And this was precious too. Reminds me of my little Betty Lou I used to have before she went to doggy heaven. But isn't she precious? $12.99, and it does light up. That's cute. $7.99 for this spider. Look at this dude, $9.99. Very, very cute. And his partner is coming up. Check her out in her pumpkin dress and her witch hat, $9.99. Those were cute too. $12.99 on this little plush boo ghost. And check this haunted house out, $34.99. It does light up, and it is quite large. They didn't have tables at this HomeGoods, unfortunately. $20 for this little dude. Really not a little dude. He's a creepy dude. $20. He doesn't light up. Plenty of moths, though, hanging around him. He's been around a while. This gal I showed you in the first video, she's pretty nifty. $14.99. $29.99 on this headless horseman. He does light up. Some of them don't work because I didn't want to pull them tags out. $29.99. Very detailed. Pretty neat. And check out this candelabra. $19.99. He says spooky looking or what? Check out this skeleton. He's got his books. Look here. $29.99. Creepy looking book. Another headless horseman. He lights up. Very detailed as well. If you're looking for headless horseman, head on over to the HomeGoods. And had substantial weight to it. Pretty nifty. Not too shabby. And he was $39.99. Very detailed. Check them eyeballs out. $29.99 on this dude. Another headless horseman. He lights up as well. I mean, they had it going on at this HomeGoods. I guess they're skipping Summerween at HomeGoods. They're just going straight for Halloween. $19.99 on this dude. The creepy hand in the cauldron with the creepy flowers. Wilted flowers, looks like. Ooh, $20. $19.99. That's pretty neat, actually. And here is some more dishes, $5.99. I showed you in the first video. This store had all of the dessert and the dinner plates and the bowls. Really neat. I love these. Check out these salt and pepper shakers, $9.99. Two little cute dudes. Looks like Joanna Parker. This was cute too. It's a tea light. Is that not cute or what? Just precious. Just too cute. $24.99. It ought to be for 25 bucks. Here's some more, looks like Joanna Parker, $9.99. Salt, pepper shakers. This was a glass mug, $4.99. And Snoopy. Where would we be without Snoopy on Halloween? The Peanuts, $14.99 for this jar. This dinnerware set was really awesome. Really awesome. Look at the detail in it. Real spooky and creepy. Now this set was really neat. $6.99. That wasn't bad price at all. $6.99. Look how neat it looks. Just neat. I just love that. Here's some more salt and pepper shakers, $9.99. Look at these Boo glasses, the Ghost Scout glasses, $5.99. Mickey and Minnie, $7.99 for this nice mug. And check out there. Here's another one of them little cakes. Just love them, $12.99. These three are going home with me. Check out these little mummies. $16.99 for this trio. $14.99 on this ghost all in her glitter. Another candelabra. Really neat. Very heavy on this. $19.99. And here's that candy bowl again. Here's a better look at it. I found one around the store that was actually down a little lower. $80. Very, very cute. And check out this plush baby. $29.99. $34.99 on this creepy house. And yes, it does light up. Check out this witch. $24.99. She was quite tall too. Check out the detail on her. Really neat. Really neat. This little fabric witch. She's kind of cute. $12.99. Not too shabby. Actually, she's really cute. Not just kind of. Here's a spooky ghost. Lights up. Looks like the ghost is sitting on a bench waiting for some trick-or-treaters, probably, to spook them. Got a rose in her hand, $24.99. Check out these dudes, $12.99. This was cute, this candy dish, ceramic, $24.99. That's kind of nifty. Not too shabby. And these were neat. Hang on your wall, $12.99. This dude, he's kind of creepy looking. $16.99. And check this one out. He lights up. Pretty nifty. Let's check out the price. $24.99 each. This store had it going on, I'm telling you. Check out this haunted spooky house, pumpkin cottage, $16.99, and it does light up. Spooky. Another one of those haunted houses, a different style, kind of spooky, $34.99. I heard some man talking about this. He said, I don't know what store had it last year, he said, and it was $130 some. And here it's only $35. Really nice detailed. And this glass pumpkin, I thought that was kind of pretty. $16.99. Here's another. These are a little larger that go on your wall. $29.99. I really like these. I think they'd make an impact on the wall. Here's another spooky house. It does light up. And it is quite large. Here's that spooky cottage pumpkin. Pumpkin cottage. I showed you in my first video, $69.99. Check out this. An overall look. Really nifty. And there's more coming. Check out this witch. She's pretty neat. 25 bucks, $24.99 on her. She's kind of creepy looking. Very detailed. Oh, isn't he precious? $14.99. Just too cute. Look at this kitty cat. Oh, I just love them. $14.99. Can't forget our little animal friends. Oh, look at this. Here's another trio with their boo signs, boo necklaces, $16.99. Here's a black cat, $14.99. Look at this. They're reading their boo book. Is that not cute? So cute. $16.99. This lights up, and that was $24.99. Very cute, very cute. Check out this swinging ghost. Looks like a book. And $16.99. That's not a bad price at all on that. Very detailed. Another swinging ghost. Too cute. $14.99. Check out this see no evil, or whatever you want to say. This is kind of creepy. $12.99. This was one of my favorites too. $14.99. I didn't take her home though, however, but she was precious. Just precious. Here's another boo. $9.99. She had a pinkies glow. $12.99 on this little boo. And this trio ghost, $14.99. This one lights up. The frog, witch's hat. Wonder if he's a prince inside that frog. $12.99. Here's another spooky house. Not too shabby. Look at those skulls sitting up there. Check out this spooky ghost holding her umbrella. $19.99. There's a friend from the first video. Here's another spooky house. It does light up as well. $12.99. Now that's a steal at $12.99. Check out these little devil and angel ghost. $12.99. That's so different. Oh, here's another one of these little cakes. $12.99. I didn't take this one home though, unfortunately. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'll give it a like, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget, watch my first 2026 HomeGoods Halloween video. Thanks, everyone, and have a wonderful day.